Hi everyone, it's Emma here from the Permaculture Pantry. You might remember one of our first videos that we posted about growing bush beans in our veggie garden. Those beans finished their cycle and started to die off, so I took the remaining lot of beans off them and I've been drying them out on our table on our deck in the sun for a few weeks, and they're nice and dried now, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to save the seed and reuse them for your next season. So when you're growing things like beans, it's really easy to save the seed and essentially you get free plants then for your next season, which is always a bonus. You can either pull out the whole bean plant and hang it upside down somewhere out of the rain so they can dry off on the bean bush itself, or you can do what I did, because we had quite a bit of rain and some of the seed pods were going a little bit moldy, so I took the best of what was there and put them out on our table here and let them dry off in the sun. You know when they're ready to harvest the seeds, when they're really crispy and dry, the pods, and I keep dropping them everywhere. I really like doing this job. I think it's pretty fun, and usually the kids help me with this as well. All you do is open up the pods and get your little seeds out, and I just put the shells, I just put it onto some newspaper while I'm doing it, and all the shells and the newspaper can be all wrapped up and put into your compost afterwards, so there's no waste at all. When you're finished, your little bean seeds, just pop them into either an envelope or a Ziploc bag, whatever you've got really, a little container, and put them aside ready to plant the next season. Just make sure they're nice and dry. They'll be ready to go. I've got quite a few to get going on here, so I'll open a few and we'll see how many seeds we get. So I've only de-shelled a couple of the beans, and I've already got the perfect amount that we'll probably need for our next planting season. When you do have a big lot of seeds, it's always a good idea to either share some in your community with some other people who want to grow some veggies. It's a really good idea. Or you can also try and barter for some other things that someone else might have some seeds that you haven't grown yet in your garden, and they mightn't have grown your bush beans or something similar, and you can swap some seeds with them. So it's a really good way to kind of share with the community. So when you're de-shelling all of your bean seeds, just check for ones that are maybe looking a little bit misshapen, or they might be a bit moldy or just a bit irregular. You want to keep your best seeds so you've got the best chance of them germinating, and the other seeds, we get rid of those. And so you can see there we've got some really nice seeds there, and this one here is just not looking quite right, so we'll get rid of that one. So thanks for watching our video today. I hope you found it helpful and you've learned how to save your own bean seeds for next time. And if you've got any questions or comments, pop them down below and I can get back to you on those. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos. Bye!